भारत रत्न डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम जी, जिन्होंने मिसाइल्स बनाए और शांति के क्षेत्र में भी आप प्रथम वैज्ञानिक हैं जिन्होंने साइंस और साइलेंस दोनों का बैलेंस इंट्रोड्यूस करने का लक्ष्य रखा है।
The children can change this country. Children can transform India into a developed nation. But you need certain qualities. A prayer was, we all attended in the early morning. The Dadiji was giving Brahm Baba's message. Generosity in service will make impossibility into the possibility. And my teacher told me, Reverend Father Ayathra Salomon said, tonight we are getting freedom. Jawaharlal Nehru is going to speak. So exactly at 12 o'clock, we had only one radio in Ramanathapuram in those days. So radio was switched on at 11:50. 12 o'clock, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru spoke in Hindi. Then spoke in English. Both languages I didn't understand anything. Because I was learning my high school in Tamil. But one thing I was very happy. When the Union Jack, British flag was lowered, I was very happy. When the Indian flag was hoisted, I was more happy. But, however, I want to share with you one incident which happened next day. That is 16th August 1947. On 16th August, there was a Tamil newspaper. I opened the newspaper. I found there are two news. One news, of course, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisting the flag. The other news, other photograph was Mahatma Gandhi is walking in the Navagali street, removing the pain of the riot-struck city. Father of nation who fought for freedom, he should hoist the national flag, hard-won freedom. He didn't do that. He gave to the leaders he created. He gave to the respected leaders he created. But he went where there was a pain. Where there was a pain, he went. The pain was differences with people, difference in language, difference in religion. When there is a leader, definition of the leader will be there where there is pain. So Mahatma Gandhi, he was not in Red Fort. He was in Navagali, walking without chapel because respect for the dead bodies. That was a great man. So I learned on 16th of August 1947, nobility in leadership. Nobility in leadership. 1925 to 1935, there are 5 great scientists in India. The 5 great scientists are Sir C.V. Raman, Meghnad Saha, J.C. Bose, Srinivasa Ramanujan, mathematician, and himself, Chandrasekhar Subramaniam. How these 5 scientists blossomed in the international status 1925 to 1935. Remember, 1920, we were ruled by British at that time. So Chandrasekhar Subramaniam says, we want to prove, the rulers, these British people who ruled us, that the Indian mind and Indian capability, Indian science, either equal to international standard or above the international standard. Only 3 people can remove the corruption in this country. No government can remove. No government law can remove the corruption. But 3 guys can do. Who are they? Father, mother, and elementary school teacher. So I want to recite, it's in Tamil language. About 1,000 years back it was written, but exactly suits how to give reverence to human life. My friend and myself, Selvamurthy and myself, going to recite. Aridu, aridu, manida radal aridu, adaninum aridu. What Avayar, the poet, says, it's very rare. It's very rare to be created as a human being. It is very rare to be created as a human being. It is still more rare to be born without any deformity like blindness, deafness, and dumbness. Even if you are born without any such deformity like blindness, deafness, and dumbness, it is very, very rare to be blessed with jnana and education. Even if you are blessed with jnana and education, it is still rare to be blessed with the will to do offerings, sacrifice, and tapas. If when you do offerings and tapas, the doors of heaven will open to greet you all. I, the Brahma Kumar, and my nation.
मैं एज एक ब्रह्मा कुमार और मेरा भारत, मैं और मेरे भारत के प्रति संकल्प है.
As a young citizen of India, armed with technology and knowledge and spirituality and love for my nation, I realize small aim is the crime. I realize small aim is the crime. I will work, sweat for the great vision, the vision of transforming India into a developed nation with a double crown with value system, purity and prosperity. I am one of the citizens of billion, or only the vision will ignite the billion souls. It has entered into me, that is, the vision has entered into me. The ignited soul, compared to any resource, is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth, and under the earth. I will keep the lamp of knowledge and spirituality burning to achieve the vision of developed India.
In Tamil, it's beautiful. It says, Kodu, Kodu, Koduthu Konde. It means give, and go on giving. This is not he said. What it means is, by giving, you get all the happiness and bliss. This statement was 7-year-old statement. But I entered into this campus of the Brahmakumari Samaj. I saw here in reality, from the sisters and brothers, they are giving. They are giving to the humanity the messages. They are removing the pain of mental pain, mind pain, and body pain, and combined it also. So I would like to congratulate the great resource that we generated in Mount Abu. I have seen a patient, and he was happy. I talked to him, and I can see how technology and spiritualism can work together in pain and remove the pain.
डॉक्टर सुराम को ऐसे देखती हूँ तो मेरे सामने ड्रीम आ रहा है कि आपको यहाँ शिव बाबा ने भेजा और मुझे बाबा के ये 2 महावा की याद आती कि बच्चे समय आएगा जब ऐसे साइंटिस्ट यहाँ आके और इस साइलेंस की कहो, मेडिटेशन को, आध्यात्मिकता कहो, को अनुभव करेंगे और जब भी साइंस एंड साइलेंस अथवा जब इस मेडिटेशन की अनुभूति करेंगे तब ये दोनों जब बराबर मिलेंगे तब इस विश्व का आगे सदी में जय जयकार होगा। ईश्वर बाबा के माँ बाप के
किस तरह